Hey there folks, it's Dave down here at Alta Auto Sales today, showing you a 2015 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite. Gray in color, 8-passenger seating, beautiful van. Does have the DVD, widescreen, does have the cool box, all the bells and whistles that these come with, it has it. So folks, power doors all work. In this video, I show you power doors working, power rear liftgate, and the engine running. I know they're small clips, but at least gives you an idea of what they are. So call today, get your appointment scheduled, come on down, drive that, because I'm pretty sure whoever drives it's going to be taking that one home. Talk to you guys soon.